What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and today I have ridiculous clearance deals. And before they're fresh out of the stores, I wanted to go ahead and hurry up and talk about them. And we have this Hoover 1 Power Blade Max cordless stick vacuum. Now, it's only $79.99, which is an incredible price for this stick vacuum. The thing I don't like about these types of vacuums is not the way they function. They function great most of the time. It's their proprietary battery. This is why I prefer Ryobi, because the Ryobis, they're very good. They stand up on their own, which it does not look like this one does at all, because it would have been probably doing it in the picture, I would think. But you more than likely have 18-volt Ryobi batteries, so you could just keep the party going. You don't have to go buy Hoover 1 Power Blade Max battery. So that's my deal with that. But $80 is an incredible deal if you want to go this route. Moving on. Going on over to eBay, we haven't talked about Tools Direct, but I wanted to wait a little bit because I know all those wonderful holiday returns going to roll in. 460, I don't know, 362 results going on right now. Usually it's like 100 and something. Then it went up to 3 something, and it's for almost 500 right now. So just check this out. Y'all go through all these things. We have this Milwaukee blower here, $99 with 30% off. So we talking about 60-something dollars there. And also we have Rakuten. So don't forget about your Rakuten. You get 1% cash back under Home and Garden, which is what this is. So if you're new to Rakuten, it's a free cashback extension. Use the link in the description to sign up, and you'll get a bonus $30 on top of the 1% when you spend $30. Now, we have this pancake compressor. There's going to be, what, $60, $50-something dollars. This Ryobi propane heater. I have this. I haven't used it yet, but I heard it works great. Again, another $60-something dollars here. So every price you see is going to be an additional 30% off. The DeWALT stuff does not have pictures. You'll have to like copy and paste the model number. They will have the model number in the listing to see exactly what it is. Here's this Rocket Light, $149 with 30% off. Is going to make this $100 even. Crazy price right there. They have this Husky 7000 lumen. Apparently one of y'all went out and bought the wrong Husky tripod light, not realizing this one was not battery operated. You got to plug this bad boy in. It's the 2200 lumen one, 2200. But hey, $85 with 30% off though. What is that? $50-something dollars? This is a crazy deal for that right there. And the list goes on and on and on and on and on. Look at this. Look at this bucket top mist and fan kit with a 1.5 amp hour battery and a charger. $40 with 30% off. Hold on, I got to do some math. Fellas, that's $28, and they got a bunch of these. I'm going to tell you right now that is an incredible. If I didn't have one already, I might buy another one for a gift for a friend. I'm going to tell you that right now. Buy one of these. I think I'm going to do it. I'm going to buy another one. Okay. So anyway, $28. You crazy. Moving on. We getting out of here. Going on over to the Facebook group, and we're going to end here because the deals are just ridiculous. Okay. Arthur Skankel posted this in a group. I already told y'all this is an incredible deal at $50 during the holidays, and a lot of you bought it and were happy. Boom. Then it dropped down to $25. I went out and found me one. Boom. And now Arthur posted this yesterday. These bad boys, if you can still find them, $13.02. $13.02. One of these ratchets don't even cost that. This little baby small 144 position 1/4 inch ratchet is probably like $28 itself. $13. That's insane. So what I did was, this is the listing. As you can see, it's sold out online. Can't buy it until next year. And here is the Brickseek link if it's working for you. Brickseek don't work for me anymore. I mean, it's a hit or miss, but this could help you. A lot of times they say it's not in stock. You go to the store, it's a bunch of them in there. And then sometimes, like me, which one of these deals we're going to get to, it said it was 6 in there. Maybe one of y'all saw the same deal yesterday, went over there and bought it, and then I just missed it when I went in there today. The system hadn't updated, but it just updated, looks like, because now it says they're out of stock. Anyway, moving back on over to the Facebook group, Ryan Jofsky, I hope I said that right. I'm going to try to say everybody's last name, posted this ladder, this Werner ladder. Now, this is one of those ones that's multi-purpose. We can zoom in. It could be a straight ladder like that. It could be, you could also lean it up and use it as a to support extra weight right there. This supports up to 375 pounds. And just a whole bunch of different positions right here, okay? You can use them on the stairs and all type of different things. I recommend you have these types of ladders, but just keep in mind when you're trying to extend it all the way up to 20 feet like this bad boy gets heavy. Super heavy. But this thing is only $75. That's crazy. Marked down for $299, $75. I've never seen a ladder like that cheap. Again, we have the listing here. Again, out of stock. And then I have the Brickseek link. I'm going to do that for everyone. So let's just keep it with the Facebook post now. Stephen Lee, boy, this is probably the deal of the year right here. Posted this Milwaukee M18 Fuel finish nailer, okay? And it's a kit with a high output battery. $88.03. Now, I can't go. He posted some other pictures in the group too with the receipt and all that. So $88, but this is broad daylight, right? You see this. Most people were saying that these were like up in the rafters. I tried to find it today. Let's go where I went today. This in Tulsa. Went all the way out there to East 71st Street. It said they had 6. I walked around there for like an hour and couldn't find it. That's because one of y'all probably bought all 6 yesterday. And now I'm sad. Boo-hoo. Anyway, good luck to you flipping them joints. Hey, you about to make some money. But anyway, there's the link. Try to find it in store. Steven, thank you for posting that. Lots of people have came up off that post right there. Now moving on, Felipe Oliveros. I probably said that wrong. This is Felipe doing that. Probably found those same finish nailers and bought them all. But anyway, he found some DeWALT kits. This comes with, let me just show you what this is. It's $199. Obviously marked down for $499. Comes with a 9 amp hour flex volt battery, the trimmer, and this blower, okay? Even though the listing is all weird and says it's a 3 amp hour battery, definitely a 9 amp hour battery, as you can see there and in the picture right here. It's a 60 volt system. And yeah, got it for $199, again with the Brickseek link right there. And that is it for today's video. I wanted to hurry up and tell you guys about those because they're going fast. Run out to your Home Depot. Good luck. If you got any value from this video, I ask that you like it, comment, share it with your brethren. Consider subscribing so you don't miss any deals in the future. And I will see you guys next time.